We're here at Core, and you've had two new products.
We have two new product. We have two new products today, and three over the last month or so. But
Wow.
we'll talk about two of those three right now.
Yeah. So let me talk about these two here.
Yeah. So this is our Nano X battery. It's our new micro battery. It's replacing our Nano micro battery. But this thing has a lot more new features, and it has this cool AMOLED display.
Wow.
So you can get percentage readout. You can get down to the minute runtime readout. We have all these wraparound LEDs that you can see from different angles, as you can tell. So if you're not straight on with the battery, you can still see or have an idea of where your battery's status is. We also have our Voltbridge ID that is equipped in this battery.
What is that? Sorry.
It's called Voltbridge ID. We're gonna have a Voltbridge ID app here soon, where you can scan this with your phone, and on your app you can have all your data, all your battery's data. You can change the color of the LEDs. You can asset tag the batteries. You can have a password protect, and you'll have all your. It'll be so much easier to manage your battery's data in your fleet with just the use of our app. And you can see all of our batteries coming out that have recently came out will have Voltbridge ID, and batteries that have our RFID chip are grandfathered into that.
Okay.
On the top we have our normal P tap, so you can power accessories. We also have the USB-C, USB-C PD, and then a USB-A.
Yeah.
You can charge this battery via a V-mount charger, or you can charge it with a USB-C charger,
Okay.
or you can charge it with a P-tap charger.
Perfect.
So if you are like on the go, or say you forgot your charger or something, you can pack one of these little USB-C chargers and still be good to go. You can just plug it in there and charge it up.
Thanks.
What else? We have this new shell that we have. It's a polycarbonate. It's called NextCore casing. And our AMOLED display is underneath it, so it's nice and protected. I whacked this thing in a couple videos with a hammer, a mallet, not a hammer, but a mallet, and the thing was working fine. I still have it at my house.
Okay.
Another cool thing, we have a 1/4-20 screw now on all our V-mount batteries.
Okay.
So if you don't have a V-mount plate, you can still mount this somewhere. So these come in 98 and 150 watt-hour V and gold and G mount.
Cool.
And these are 14 volt packs, super light. They're the smallest ones out there. They're brand new, and yeah, they're selling like hotcakes. So
Is it only US based or also worldwide?
we have dealers. We have dealers worldwide. We're based in New York. But we have dealers throughout the world.
Okay.
So that's Nano X.
No, that's great.
Next up is our Power Base Edge Snap. This thing, when I found out about it a couple months ago, and I was blown away, and couldn't wait to tell people about it. So with Snap, as you can see, you can charge up to 8 of these with just one USB-C charger. It's charging all these up.
Yeah.
And then if you have, if they're fully charged, you take it off, put the dead one on, it'll start charging up.
Sweet.
If we want to move over here, I'll show you. Let me grab a green one, a newer. So if you come over here, go up around. So this thing is not only just for DSLR cameras, because we have this plate here that will mount to the bottom of, like, say, an FX30 or 3, and then you can snap your power underneath it and then run a cable to it. I'll show you that over there in a second. But it's not just for that. It can power accessories all over set. Like if you need a light up in the corner and you need a quick power, you need a battery for it. This thing is super light. It's only $39, and it has a whole bunch of 3/8/16 1/4-20 holes. It has this V-mount mechanical shoe. So now if you have a V-mount, you can put that on there, and then if you have a V-mount plate on your rig, you just snap that on, and then snap the battery on.
Awesome.
So if you're on your rig, you'll never have to turn off accessories again, because say this battery is you just snap it on there. This 49 watt-hour pack now becomes a 98 watt-hour pack. And then once this one starts to die, just take that off, pop a new one up,
There you go.
just like that. So you don't have to ever shut down. The other cool thing is it's equipped with two of our PD Pro ports. So this is our new port, our new auxiliary port. It's a 1 aux for all. This is you can use it as a USB-C cable. So we're not taking anything away from you. We're only giving you more stuff. This has a wide range of 5 to 48 volts outputs. So that is a huge range. Like, that can power lights, cameras, accessories. You got 2 of them. They can both do. You can use them both simultaneously. You can charge through this with USB-C. So you can charge through the P-tap. We have 2 P-taps on it. So off this single battery, this 49 watt battery, you can charge 4 devices, and then always keep stacking them on and keep turning it into like a 50 or 98 watt hour battery and then a 147 watt hour battery.
Perfect.
So this thing is super versatile. It's going to be super versatile on set, and I think for rental houses, I think ACs will just be walking in and be like, I need 10 snaps. So just look how compact this is on an FX. What's this? 30? 30. It's tiny. This is smaller than the camera. So like I said before, we have you can use USB-C cables.
Yeah.
We have PD Pro cables, which I can show you after this as well. So PD Pro to 2-pin, PD Pro to 3-pin, PD Pro to USB-C. And then again, you can just stack a couple. If one's dying, you don't want to turn the camera off, you just pop another one on there. So these are some PD Pro cables we have. This is PD Pro to 2-pin.
Yeah.
PD Pro to 3-pin. And these lock and you can put them in any way you want. Like you're not getting there, and they steer away from SDI concerns, so you can't short out your camera. Yeah. And then also they tell you what the communication's happening within our connection. So this is telling you it wants 24 volts because it's 3-pin. But like I said, it's reversible. You don't have to.
Okay.
You know, if you need it to go a certain way on your rig and all that kind of jazz, it's just this battery pack makes it easy for a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
24 volts in this cable?
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Cool.